10K run organized by the Meghalaya State Olympic Association. We are honored to have with us our Honorable Sports Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong. Welcome, sir. Thank you very much for sparing your time and be part of this very important run which marks the Olympic Day celebration. The Olympic Day was yesterday, but the market day, yesterday being a working day. So welcome all the athletes. We also have with us our Director of Sport, Madam Shawanda Lalu, our General Secretary, MSU, who are taking part in this 10K run. I would request our Honorable Minister to kindly say a few words before we start.
Every one of you, I would like to thank Kong Matsi Torwar, the member, Vice President in the MSOA, Kong Isawanda Lalu, the Director of Sport, all the members of Meghalaya State Olympic Association present here, all the office bearers, and all our friends. So sorry I can't name each and every one of you, but I would just like to thank each and every one of you present here. And especially, I would like to thank each and every one of you who have come from all over the state, I believe, and I'm so glad to see that even young children are taking part in this 10K marathon. As Kongwar said, that this marathon is to mark the Olympic Day celebration, which we were supposed to celebrate yesterday, but I've had a talk with MSOA and we've decided to celebrate today so that each and every one of you, especially children, can take part in this 10K marathon. I won't take much of your time. I would like to thank each and every one of you for taking part in this marathon. And I was just speaking to my director yesterday. She's telling me that if you see, according to research now, that more than 80% of the people are not, especially the young generation, are not into physical activities anymore. And I'm so happy and so glad to see that all these young children are taking part in it. Because what I feel is, if you take part in physical activities, let's say let it be marathon or any type of sport, that once you take part in it, if the development that you grow in terms of mental, in terms of physical development, really helps a lot. Which I feel in this generation right now, we should really take a lot of interest and we should take a lot of, we should take part in any sport, be it any sport. So I'm very happy to see that, from all over the state, be it from children to the elderly, that all of you have taken part in this 10K marathon. And from my side, I would just like to wish you all the best. And please do not take this as something so serious that that you when you get such prizes and all. But I'm sure that each and every one of us has taken part in this for all of us to enjoy this 10K marathon. And I wish you all the best. And with these few words, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. That's
He's also the treasurer of the MSA, and all the members of the MSA. I wish to thank all the participants who have come and all the officials who have helped in conducting this run smoothly. I will thank the press media for coming here to see this run sports station, for allowing us to use this ground for this morning run. Director Kong Isa to hand over the check for the winners of the women. For the first, 5,000 second, 3,000 for the third, and a 5 consolation of 1,000 rupees each. So, Balisha Terniang, please, Balisha Terniang, Banda Sharama, please, Balisha, first, Balisha, second, Banda Sharai Marwen, Banda Sharai, Banda Sharai, Mark Queen Les Ramsey third, 3,000. Ramsey 3,000 third. Consolation, Darisha Yangjo 1,000 rupees. Consolation, Inosia Sampun 1. Nangkeo Suki Slong. Where's Nangkeo Suki Slong? Go. Nangkeo Suki Slong, Jitalin Tumpun. Jitalin. Dianti Marway, number 8. Dianti Marway. Consolation check. Thank you, Madam. Walang 7,000 rupees. Second, World Bet Star Ramsey from Mogarwat. World Bet. Third, Sanjupar Durwa, sorry. No stop, sir. Fourth, Shining Star Marweng, 1,000. MPS Nongrum, Taibok Lang Biam, Taibok Bang Biam, Taibok Lang Biam, Meban Sanbor Lang Patao, Meban Sanbor Lang Patao, and Ewell John Ramsey. Please give a round of applause as a token of respect. They are giving a consolation prize. Kong Viltres Marbanyang, Starina Jasang, Snora Rani, women. Kanus nem kau ni, tanpa. Storalnya Jasan, Starina, sorry. Kita kau ni betul. Nata Snora Rani, Shyamali Chakrabarti, winners, please wait. So next is Aston C. Mani. Oh no, sorry, we have got. So now, LP. Pencingan lang dekat. Nanti Kedrick Harpor ya. Ini kan dosa. Jam is also a veteran who has been running for the last 4-5 years. Then Aston C. Money. I request all the winners to kindly line up here for the photo